What are you doing, Puppy Polly?
So wonderful to see, especially in such a small town. ProCare Physical Therapy's Wyalusing location was destroyed in last year's flood. Wilson said some of the people who donated to the drive were physicians themselves, and they wanted to help those who were affected by Hurricane Sandy. I know people there have donated their
Jump. Jump. Spin, spin, spin.
a lot more donations than
Hop, hop, hop.
expected. All of these things started coming
Hop.
in. They were storing in offices in
Donkey Kong. How big is little Polly?
it's been absolutely amazing. All of the items
Where's my little Polly? So big.
this weekend.
Donkey Kong. Whoa. Whoa. You crazy kid. Spin, spin, spin. Jump. Jump. Whoa. Jump. You crazy kid. Spin, spin, spin. Jump. 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 Oh, Polly's jumping. Good boy. Whoa. Whoa. Jump. Whoa. You guys are crazy. Jump. Jump, Chris, jump. Jump. All right, bye-bye.
Values you've taught your children since the